Christina, and today I'm bringing to you a gift idea for the holidays. I know we're a while away, but this idea is something that I'm starting to collect throughout the year, which is especially helpful for those of you that are on a budget. And so it's a thoughtful gift as well. So the idea is not original to me. I did not come up with this idea. I did see an idea like it on Facebook, and the concept was for a grab bag, or even just not for a grab bag, just for a woman in your life that has her own home. You collect different seasonal kitchen towels throughout the year, and then you give them all to her at Christmas time at the end of the year. So they'll have a kitchen towel from, the beginning to the end in all of the seasons. I know especially for those of us on a budget, seasonal kitchen towels is not really something that is in our budget to buy for ourselves, but if it is in your Christmas budget and you think this would be a nice gift, it can also be pretty affordable too. So I'll just show you some of the towels that I got. And so my first idea was to start at like TJ Maxx, Marshall's Home Goods, because that's where I go all the time. But and I did find a really pretty one here, as you can see. Really? I found a really pretty one here, as you can see. Oops, the lighting. But also, as you can see, where's the price? That was gonna get pretty pricey. It was about $6 for 2 towels. So, I mean, it's really nice, and maybe it would be good depending on how special the person is or what your budget is for that person, but that was gonna get pretty expensive. So I need to return that one because I found better ones. Well, not better ones because I still think this is a better quality, but I found more affordable ones at Christmas Tree Shop. And so when I went, it was a gold mine, and I was able to find like four different holidays at once. So the first one that I found was this Valentine's Day one, Love You More, and the price was, I think it was $1. So I said yes, and I figured, let me grab a few. So I got this one. This one's probably the ugliest one that I got, but I mean, it might be somebody's taste. I really don't actually think it's that ugly either. It's looking really nice on the camera. I mean, it looks nice in real person. Just what I'm trying to say is I don't like all like the dark colors. That's not really like my style for my house. I would prefer the first one, but I mean, it's seasonal, so you just put it up and you take it down, which is also part of the fun in this. Okay. The next one is Shamrock one for St. Patrick's Day, and I grabbed just 2 of those. They're $1 each, and the reason I'm grabbing these is because my boyfriend's family, they had this grab bag idea, and I got one of the coolest grab bags. It had like placemats and like an apron, and it was all like Christmas themed, and I thought, wow, I love this idea, and I used it on Christmas Day for my family because I had like all different stations for seating because my dining room doesn't hold my whole family. Because if you've been following me for a while, you know that I have a really big immediate family. So it was just a nice, I really liked that idea. So that whole Secret Santa thing really stuck with me, and I was thinking, how can I really make someone's gift special next year? And then I saw this gift idea, so I think that the ladies will really like it, whoever ends up with this. Okay, I found an Easter one. I'll move that. I like it. Again, I like the lighter, whiter designs. All of them were $1, so that's the price for all of them. For that, again, I grabbed 2 because these were the designs that I liked. They did have other ones, but I liked these the most. And the reason I'm grabbing 2 is because 1 each is going to be for my grab bag, Secret Santa, and then 1 is going to be a gift for somebody else. And then the last 2 that I got were kind of fillers, so like for a month that doesn't have, the whole concept is 12 seasonal towels, so like 1 for every month of the year. So if there's a month that like doesn't have a holiday or anything going on, maybe this could fit for spring, or actually I think spring's kind of covered, so maybe summer. But this one says, the kitchen is the heart of the home, and I like this kind of farmhouse look. Again, $1 from Christmas Tree Shop. And then this is just a similar one, same concept, family and friends gather here, home sweet home. Again, it was $1. So I hope that this idea can help you out with some gift giving on a budget. Maybe you want to do it for yourself, but you probably would just gather all your materials and give it as a gift at the end of the year, and you're probably going to look really cool because, I mean, who doesn't want like 12 cool seasonal towels? Probably someone that doesn't have their own house or apartment. That's who doesn't want it. So don't get this gift for them. This is for the mom or the homeowner or the independent woman who lives on her own. So anyway, I hope that this gift idea will help you out, and let me know in the comments below if you have any ideas like this. See you next time. Bye.